Okay, hi. First, I want to ask if is it okay for me to film you for this interview test?
I suppose.
All right. So my name is Ramiro, and today you will be testing out my app called Apps for You. Apps for You is a really unique way of finding apps that you'll like instead of going onto like the recommended list on like a website or like say like the App Store that just kind of like gives off like, oh, this is an action game. Here you'll like this action game probably. This will be more like a you get to well you'll see in a bit you'll get to choose which attributes of apps that you have downloaded, and then the search then finds other apps, whether they're games or like apps for business or like really any type of app. It'll those attributes from already used apps will help you find newer ones. Okay, so your task is to uh, try using the search, and then after that, you'll have to what's it called? You'll have to go to write a review about an app. All right, here we begin. Okay, I think that you did it. All right. Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Uh, so yeah, it's a pretty straightforward app. So, uh, could you see yourself using an app like this if it was fully developed?
Probably not. I usually just use just scroll through what's recommended on the App Store.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Uh, so let's see. What uh, what are some flaws that you think this app has, and what are some what strengths that it has? Sorry.
Its strength is that it's extremely straightforward. I like that. It's not going to confuse anybody for the most part, but it's very cartoony.
Yeah.
Anyone seriously looking for an app that isn't a child is probably going to stray away from it.
Okay. Let's see. And what are some things that you could you'd like to see on an app like this? I know you said you probably wouldn't use an app like this, but what would be something that could maybe like draw you to using it?
Probably just inst- maybe setting up my own little directory and past apps I've used. That way, if I uninstall something, I can just have it sitting in there ready to reinstall should I decide, oh, I want to go use that again.
Okay.
So more like a app memory
Okay. All right.
of the apps I've downloaded through it would make it more useful.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, thank you for your time.
Yeah.